The U.S. Supreme Court this week began its new term with a docket full of controversial issues. Fox 43's Harry Lee previews what the justices are expected to rule on.
The Supreme Court's last term came to a turbulent end in June when justices voted to overturn Roe v. Wade. The barricades surrounding the court are now down, but the damage is done. A Gallup poll found public trust in the Supreme Court is down to a historical low at 47%. Chief Justice John Roberts defending the court's legitimacy at a conference in Colorado.
The court has always decided controversial cases. The decisions have always been subject to intense criticism, and that is entirely appropriate. But lately, the criticism is phrased in terms of, because of these opinions, it calls into question the legitimacy of the court.
That, he said, is a mistake because the Supreme Court is supposed to be insulated from public opinion. That's why justices are appointed for life.
It can be doing its job, and sometimes it's required to do its job precisely when the public thinks it should be doing something different.
The upcoming docket promises more controversy as the court plans to take on hot-button issues like the Voting Rights Act and affirmative action in college admissions. Arguments began on Tuesday over the Clean Water Act. Legal experts say the impact on water systems could be enormous.
A narrow interpretation of what the term waters of the United States means would mean that a lot of chemical discharges to waterways also wouldn't be covered and could proceed without a permit from either EPA or state.
The court has already made some summary rulings, including that a $3.1 billion defamation case against MyPillow founder Mike Lindell can proceed. Dominion Voting Systems says Lindell promoted false claims that their voting systems rigged the 2020 presidential election. Harry Lee, Fox 43 News.